think so. Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Wolfpack 26Pack15. This camper comes in at 29 feet, 7 inches tongue to bumper and weighs right at 7,200 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime when you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. It includes the hard shell cover with the quick access slit. We have your deep cycle marine battery on board, and behind that red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch that will kill all 12-volt power to the battery when the camper is not in use. This camper is prepped for the 360 vision camera system. You can put side mounts and a rear camera mount on here. The camper is also prepped for a generator. So as you can see, we do have the compartment door here, and the wiring is all there, and it is prepped for the generator. We have your stabilizer jacks, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. You can see we have that extended down here. We are pet friendly. We have your leash latch so the furry family members can tag along. And then directly underneath, we have your LP quick disconnect. So if you have a portable gas grill, you can take that along with you and tap into it and use the gas on the camper. We have this power awning with the blue LED accent light underneath here. Each leg is adjustable. If the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of each leg there. Oversized grab handle to get in. As you can see, they also drop this down a little bit. Wolfpack sit up a little bit, so that extra handle is nice. We have your sturdy steps going up where each leg is adjustable if you're on different levels of ground. Full-size entrance door. It is the black tempered glass door with an integrated window as well, and a full-size screen door here. Outside entertainment center with your speakers that light up blue. We have your TV connections and outlet, as well as your TV bracket. It's the same bracket that we have on the inside, so you simply lift your TV up, bring it out here and drop it in. And down below here, you'll notice we have the center cap popped off. These are all quick, easy lube axles. All 4 wheels are going to have self-adjusting brakes on them, as well as a tire pressure monitoring system. As you can see, the sight is green. It'll turn red if you're low on air, so we will unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. We also have a fuel station on board here. To turn your fuel pump on and off would be right here. To fill up the fuel tank in the back, and it also has your fuel nozzle right back here as well. So if you take your 4-wheelers, anything like that, you could use the gas on board to fill those up. Another leash latch back here. We do have a ventilation system in place. I mean, if you're hauling anything with fumes in it, you can keep the garage aired out as you're traveling down the road. Back here, we have the patio system all set up. The entrance steps to the patio are included. We got the fence all the way around. You'll also notice we have the 3 seasons door. That is set up here for you as well. Up top, we have the bright LED light and camera prep. So it is prepped for an observation camera. You can add that at any point in time. Right up top here, we have your ladder prep. So you can add a telescoping ladder up there if you wanted to. This is a 50 amp unit. It comes with a 25-foot detachable cord. Underneath here, we have your sewer hose holder. So you can store your sewer hose underneath when not in use. Water heater is on demand. It is gas only, but it's only using gas when you're running hot water, so about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. We also have a black tank flush. So when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook up your water hose here. That'll blast out the black tank for you. We have a high pressure spray port here. Low pressure spray port here with the hot and cold on the low pressure. Your water station right here, the city water is on the right. So if you're at your campground or your house, you would hook your water hose up here and that'll pressurize the lines for you. On the left-hand side, we'll fill up the fresh water tank. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you turn on your water pump and you can use that water. We have your furnace vents. Cable connection, that way if you're at a campground that offers that, you can tap right into it. And last but not least, you can see the extra storage up front here underneath the slide room. That concludes our outside walkthrough of the Wolfpack 26Pack15, and now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice that those tie-down brackets go all the way up front here. Step inside, get a nice overview of the camper. That 3 seasons door really just opens things up, lets a lot of sunlight in here as well. And we'll get started right inside the entrance door. We have your main control panel where you can turn your lights on and off, your water pump, check your tanks to see how full and empty they are, and run your awning in and out. We do have 12-volt heated pads on the holding tanks. That left switch will turn those on and off. We have a couple light switches on the right. Up top, we do have your voltmeter since we have we have 300 watts of solar mounted on the roof. So there you can keep an eye on your battery. And to the right will be so you can play music. So you can use your phone under Bluetooth there, play music through your favorite app, and then turn your speakers, zone 1 and 2, your inside and outside speakers on and off there. Overhead storage. Large window here with a decorative zebra blind. In the back, we are going to have, there's windows behind each couch. They do have darkeners over them, since it's the garage area back here. 110 outlet. We have the sofa over here. This bottom section will also come together and make another sleeping area. And we have the top bunk bed as well that can lower down. And essentially you would have bunk beds back here. Again, with that 3 seasons door, keeps the air and heat inside, really opens everything up. Lots of extra sunlight there. And this is a 50 amp unit, so we do have your second AC prep right up top here. Currently, the camper will come with a 15,000 BTU air conditioner that is ducted through. Over here, we have a look at that vent. That'll be the ventilation system to keep the fumes out. More overhead storage. We have your microwave with your range vent that will vent to the outside. Nice decorative backsplash in the kitchen, the window. We do have the high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. We have the countertop extension over on the left-hand side. Sink cover, farmhouse-style sink here. Large single bowl. Underneath, we have more storage. And also your fuel gauge for the fuel tank underneath there. Your furnace, which is ducted through the cabinets. We have your CO2 detector, breakers and fuses underneath the oven. And that also comes with a 3-burner stovetop with the glass cover, so you can use that as prep space if you're not cooking. Underneath the refrigerator, we have your furnace, 12-volt refrigerator, which is nice and deep. It does not need the ventilation like the gas-style refrigerators would. So this goes all the way back to the wall there, giving you extra space in the refrigerator. Storage up top. There is also another camera prep in here. So you can add a camera in the garage area to keep an eye on your toys while traveling down the road. Storage up above. We would have your TV location here with your connections on the wall and your digital thermostat that will run your air conditioner and furnace for you. Down below with more storage as well. You'll notice the door to the right, that will go into the bathroom. There is also another bathroom entrance right through the bedroom. And we will head into the bedroom first. As you can see directly across, a huge built-in dresser. It's got drawers and storage all over the place. We have the bed, which is on a slide out, giving you more room in here as well. On either side of the bed, you have shelves and 12-volt charge ports up there. Window at the head of the bed. And again, we have all of this storage up front here. Cabinets down below. Lots of counter space. 110 outlets up here. Over to the right is going to be some shelves. Lots of hanging storage in here. Open up one of these cabinet doors for you here. You can see we have the hanging that goes all the way across. More storage down below. A padded bench area here. And then also, if you were to ever add the generator, that would be your on-off switch for it. And your hour meter. There is a second location for a TV in here. Connections up top. There's a TV backer in the wall. As you can see, we have the sliding doors in here. Nice and decorative look. We have your slide out switch right over by the entrance door and some light switches in here as well. Now as we head into the bathroom, you'll notice that we have the toilet inside to the right there. To the right of the medicine cabinet, we are going to have a max air controller. There's a large vent fan up top here, and that will allow you to open it, close it, and turn it on and off. Light switch beside that, and then your thermostat for the on-demand water heater. We have some towel holders here. Up top, again, with that large vent fan. As you can see, we have the multi-speed vent fan here. Medicine cabinet right inside. We have your sink directly underneath it. 110 outlet in here. Storage down below. And in the shower area, we have the shower surround with the built-in shelves here. We also have the upgraded shower head that comes standard from the factory. And your on and off, hot and cold. And we will step back outside. Get a nice overview of the camper here. Great toy hauler. This is a 15-foot garage in the back here. Lots of space for all the toys. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Wolfpack 26Pack15. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.